Pero manen nimpag rapi itay manen gagayem ken kakabsat. At manen iti pagayam yung mananumuunay Romel Umukit. At kasta kita inkay manen liwliwayan bayad inkay panagin inanam. Alawin na pakit na kalamlamis naglamek itata dito yung syudad iti Manila. Kapuanan iti dito agasawa nga bagyo ni Bagyo Roli ken ni Bagyo Sioni. Ala ingat-ingat lang gagayem ken kakabsat. Ket yamanag manen kada kayo iti ado. Kapuanan ti ayat yung mang subsubaybay iti YouTube channel ko nang subscribe nang i-share kung nag-like samit iti FB page ko na Sonata ni Romel Umukit. Pero kablawak man kitay nayak nga sumusuporta iti numutubyan. Kumusta kayo po dito probinsya tayo nga Ilocos Sur. Dito Magsingal, Ilocos Sur. Iya sa kablawak man ipagayam tayo nga may lumaban ni Lolita de la Cruz. Kasabit ka ni Annalyn Batat, ni Banji Lumaban, kasabit ka ni Carmen Rivera, ni Meli Elvis, kasabit ka ni pagayam tayo yung Pilma Agatep. Kumusta kayo matamin na po dito La Union, dito probinsya iti La Union. Dito'y Baknutan, La Union. Naibagay kay panagdingdingay, ken panagbuy-buya itatang agundaway. Alakablawak man yan ni Ma'am Marilo Murao. Kasamit ka ni Sir Tony Murao. Kasamit ka ni Sir Michael Almodovar, ni Randy Sambot, kasamit ka ni Sir Roger Martinez, ni Sir Rodolfo Espirito, kasamit ka ni Sir Christopher Paharit, ni Sir Darwin Paharit, kasamit ka ni Sir Arthur Paharit, and the barangay official dito barangay Pulala, Baknutan, La Union, headed by barangay Captain Gilbert Marantang, and the barangay councilor. Kablawak ng met ni kabagis ko, ni Marinel Ganisa Cortez, dita Romania. Naibagayan tayo nga Che Orayani Soria, dita Malaysia. Kasamit ka ni Mylene Corpus, dita Malaysia. Ni Auntie Lydia Ogare, dita Dubai. Kasamit ka ni Algin Umukit, dita Metlang Dubai. Pero papagayam kablawak met ni pagayam tayong Jocelyn Tadena dito Santo Domingo, Ilocos Sur. Samet kin ni Manong Monro Callejo. Kablawak man met ni pagayam tayong Ronald Labuni dito Batak, Ilocos Norte. ni Brother William Tiro dito sa Sampaloc, Manila. Damit din ni Wendell Domingo. Naipagayam na yung Maria Rosita Domingo. Kaya nagasamit kin ni Jumar Parpo, ni Brother Jumar Parpo dito barangay Baybayabas, Magsingal Ilocos, kaya kita kakatuwa na nga electrician. Bueno, agyan man ako na kada kayo iti ayat nyo kanyak gagayem ken kakapsat ka. Okay, thank you very much. Stay up late the night and pray my soul. And sometimes all the nights can be so long. And it's good when I find me at home, all alone, watching this dream. I try to get unrest without delay, and quietly she says, "How was your night?" And I'll come here and it was so right, and a holy night. And she believes in me. I'll never know just what she sees in me. I told her someday if she was my girl, I could change the world with my little song. I was wrong, but she has prayed on me, and so I go on trying faithfully. And who knows, maybe of some special night, if my soul is right, I will pine away while she is waiting. I stumble to the kitchen for a ride, and I see my old guitar in the night, just waiting for me like a secret friend. And there's no end while she lays crying. I fumble with a melody or two, and I'm torn between the things that I should do. And she just to wake her up when I'm through, and her love is true. And she believes in me. I'll never know just what she sees in me. I thought someday if she was my girl, I could change the world with my little song. I was wrong, but she has prayed on me, and so I go on trying faithfully. And this may be on my special night, if my soul is right, I will pine away while she waits. While she waits
for me. Hindi ko na nasisiyahan ang sikap ng araw. Hindi ko na namasdan pa ang ganda ng buhay. Nasaan na ang iyong pag-ibig na dating sa aking laman? Ibalik mo ang init ng suluhan at pagmamahalan, magbuhat ng lumamig ang init ng iyong pag-ibig, pagkat ikaw ang tanging ligayang buhay. Pababayaan mo kaya'y masaya na lang mga gintong araw natin na nagdaan. May halaga pa ba sa aking pag-ibig? Ang puso at gabing magsing lamig. Pababayaan mo kaya'y masaya na lang mga gintong nagdaan. May halaga pa ba sa aking pag-ibig? Kung puso at gabing magsing lamig. Nasaan ba ang iyong pangako na ika'y magbabago? Bakit nga ba hindi mo masabi na mahal mo pa rin ako? Huwag kang mag-alinlangan, pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y naghihintay, pagkat ikaw ang tanging ligayang buhay. Pababayaan mo kaya'y masaya na lang mga gintong araw natin na nagdaan. May halaga pa ba sa aking pag-ibig? Kung puso at tubig magsing lamig. Pababayaan mo kaya'y masaya na lang mga gintong araw natin na nagdaan. May halaga pa ba sa aking pag-ibig? Kung puso at gabing magsing lamig. Pababayaan mo kaya'y masaya na lang mga gintong araw natin na nagdaan. May halaga pa ba sa aking pag-ibig? Kung puso at gabing magsing lamig. just fall apart. And sometimes you feel that it can go on. Be strong, hold on, for my love will keep you warm through the coldest night, through the rain, through the storm. When friends turn their backs on you, and you're so helpless, you don't know what to do, I'll be on your side to comfort you. My love will see you through. When tears are in your eyes and you feel like you wanna cry, sweet sound, and I'll be around to understand. When you stumble and fall, and you need a shoulder to lean on, all you have to do is call, and I'll be there with a helping hand. When the road seems so long and endless, and all you see is nothing but darkness, don't give up, just walk on and breathe in your heart, for my love will see you through. My love will see you through. When you reach for your star, when you cross the deepest sea, when you climb the highest hill, my love will always be with you in everything you do, in every step you make, in every road you take. Don't be afraid to follow your dreams, for my love will see you through.
Dito las nga kanta ket mabalin nyo kagayam ken kakabsat nga hulaan. Tapos sa mga bakayo iti 200 load. Nalakalaeng iti Aramiden nyo. I-subscribe nyo lang jay YouTube channel ko. Tapos like and share. Tapos i-comments di pang answeran nyo iti sagot nyo. Okay, yan po mga kaibigan. Ang sagutin nyo, hulaan nyo. Tapos i-announce ko sa November 3, 2020.